So what inspired you to enter this business?
Sir, West Coast Pharma is a family business started by my grandfather. He was into manufacturing since last 1955. So basically, it's a 65-year-old company. And after that, it was taken over by my father, who, being a BSc, developed more into different segments of the products in different markets and different categories of the products. Not just pharma, but also ventured into nutrition supplements, cosmetics, veterinary products, etc.
So what is your core business?
So our core business is basically pharmaceuticals. We are big in pharmaceuticals. We are exporting our products. We are manufacturing for good companies, like third-party companies like Zydus, Heathrow, Vales, Cipla, Ranbaxy, Sun, etc. Also, we have our own domestic marketing. We have a team of around 150, 180 odd people who are looking into the ethical marketing in the doctor's chambers, and we are into derma category, gynec, physician, surgeons, dentist, ortho.
Which countries you are exporting?
Currently, sir, our export has reached around 85 countries. We are majorly exporting to all the semi-developed countries like the Latin America, the South Asia, the Africa, which is the West and East Africa.
What are the major achievements of your company?
So our company is more into new product development. So our out of that, we have around 10,000 product license in the pharma space, which is the largest in India. No, the company has more than 6,000, 7,000. We are the only company in India which has 10,000 product license. So it is
Where
one
you
of
have
the
no
major
R&D?
strength. We have our own R&D, F&D. We have our own product development team. So from the F&D to the dispatch, it's everything is under our own cycle. So we manage everything internally.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
So Uniqueness is our speed of launching a new product. So, for example, if I see a product in the market, it takes around if it's a pharma product, it takes around 10 to 15 days for us to launch. If it's a nutrition supplement or a cosmetic products, it takes around 7 to 8 days to launch, considering the regulatory approvals. So the speed at which we can launch a product, it has given us a major success in all the domestic and also in the international markets, because in the international markets people want everything very fast because they want to outreach their customers very faster. So that where they are giving us a lot of preference for their new products, because considering other companies, they take around 2 to 3 months to develop a product, we can do it in 10 to 15 days.
So roughly how many products you launch every year?
So currently we are launching around 500 to 600 products across the world every year. It mostly depends on the number of distributors we add on a uh, yearly what you can say yearly side, or on the number of distributors want new products. So example, also it also depends a lot on the regulatory approvals of the different markets. So example, in Nigeria, we have given 100 doses. So out of that, we launch 20 products when we get the approvals. In India, in nutrition and cosmetic, we launch around 100 to 200 more products. So basically, we are more on the vertical side than the horizontal side.
How much strong is your brand?
So in terms of how much strong we can say, in terms of the brand West Coast, that all Indian international presence in any market you go, you will find us somewhere or other in terms of any distributor or in the retailer space. In India, we are having presences around 20 states in India, out of which 7 are purely ethical models, which are the doctor chambers. We visit the doctors and they get their prescription, and the other 12 are our generic model. We have our distributors appointed and they sell our products.
How do you look at the opportunities?
So basically, opportunities, we are very positive. We are very optimistic that everything in terms of anything new comes up, we are very much excited to start it and give it to our clients, to our distributors, so they can also take the advantage, and not just us in case of the distribution channels. So we make sure that every opportunity we take, we do it on a long-term basis. Not only it improves our balance sheet, but also gives a good impact on the client's balance sheet.
What would you like to
So
highlight
that
about your team?
So my team is the biggest strength in our company. There is no other strength, major strength other than the products. Without the team, it is nothing. No, there is no West Coast, there is no part, there is nothing in the world, in the company. So if there is a issue in team, then it will be a big issue with the company as well. Not just in terms of saying marketing or sales, entire channel, the team is fantastic, and our only success is because of the team. and their hard work.
What are
Our
your,
work is to just appreciate their efforts.
what are your views on pharma industry?
So pharmaceuticals is one of the most good industry and booming industry. Whether there is corona, there is no corona, whether there is what we can say, inflation, no inflation, pharma will be there.
What are the challenges?
So in challenges, pharma, there is no specific regulatory regulatory guidelines across the globe. So there are every FDA of every country has different guidelines. Every day there are new guidelines coming. So once we have incorporated a new guideline, there is something new coming. So every day there is new adoption, which takes major time of the team to adapt rather than do their core business. That's the only hurdle I think it's in the pharma industry, which is the regulatory. If the government or the international governments or the WHO sets discusses with the world FDA and gives us a clear guidance and a clear guidance, the growth of the business and the growth of the industry will be fantastic, and it will be only beneficial to the customers, the patients, because it will be more cheaper for them. It will be more faster for the world to get new products in their doctor's chamber faster, so they can treat the patients faster.
How do you foresee the future of your company?
So our future is very bright because we currently in last 3 years we are growing at around 40 to 50%. All thanks and all the appreciation of the team. And also we have a clear agenda. We have a clear goal. We want to be a global company. We want our products to we want our products to be in around 150 countries. We want distributors in 150 countries. So basically we want to be a global company, which we already are. We are already present in 75, 80 countries, but we want to double it in next 2 to 3 years. And also we are coming up with new EU GMP level hormone plant, cancer plant, and also general block. So it will help us to reach the countries which are currently not in.
What is the secret of your success?
So as I told, there is only one secret, that our team. Without him, there is no West Coast, there is no success.
Anything other important point or highlight you may like to share? Any story?
So we don't have any story, but that in the pharma business, you have to go into detail. Every detail is important for your business, be it production, be it marketing, be it F&D, be it R&D, be it new product development, be it new guidelines. The management and the top level executives of the company should be dedicated and should have the thirst to go into detail of everything. Then they will succeed, then their team will succeed. And second, in pharma, the training to their team is the most important, and daily motivation is the one of the most important, because every day new things are coming. So to focus on their core business, their core work, and to adapt new things in life, to adapt the new challenges in life, to adapt the new challenges and the new guidelines in their daily.
So nice talking to you.
Same here, sir. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be part of your company, to be part of your magazine. And I wish everyone at your magazine are safe and doing good.
I'll put it on the channel immediately.
No problem, sir. Thank you very much. Take care, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Same to you, sir.